Hello world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to codingscientist.com. You are watching Hero to Superhero series on Python machine learning algorithms. Alright guys, we have reached lesson number 9 and this is going to be another algorithm number 9 you are going to learn about, which is called linear discriminant analysis. Is also known as LDA. So what exactly is this? So basically linear discriminant analysis is LDA is a supervised classification method that is basically used to create your machine learning models, different kind of models using this particular LDA algorithm. These models based on dimensionality reduction are used in applications such as marketing predictive analysis and image recognition and among several others, right? Especially on the image recognition, it works fantastic because I have built ton loads of image recognition projects using this particular algorithm, and the results are absolutely stunning, guys. Anyways, I'll show you the examples at a later stage. For now, try to understand what is this LDA all about. So LDA, or it's also called as normal discriminant, right? Or NDA, normal discriminant analysis, or discriminant function analysis, is a dimensionality reduction technique that is commonly used for supervised classification problems. It is used for modeling differences in groups, like separating two or more classes, different kind of classes where you can define, or probably 3 different classes, 4 different classes, n number of classes. It is used to project the features in higher dimension spaces into a lower dimension spaces using ND arrays, using NumPy basically, right? For example, we have 2 classes and we need to separate them efficiently. The classes can have multiple features, right? So as you know, we can put the array and define the classes within the array itself. Using only a single feature to classify them may result in some kind of overlapping, and that's where this particular algorithm comes into picture to tackle the situation in a different, efficient way. Now, enough of this blabbering and explanation. Let's move on to the source code. That's the interesting part. So let me just open up my Visual Studio IDE, and there we go. So basically we are using math library. We are importing the logs from math and the OS, which is and then the random and then the typing, and well, there are a lot of explanation to this code. Still, if you need explanation line by line, I'll be happy to assist you guys. You can reach out to me for one-on-one request. I will schedule a Zoom call, I will schedule a WhatsApp call, or any channel you want. I'll be happy to explain these codes with algorithmic functions, and I will also walk you through step by step to build your machine learning project. Any kind of ML, DL, AI project you need, you can reach out to me at any given time. I'll be happy to assist you. Of course, there'll be a cost involved, but yeah, I enjoy doing that. So this is about, let me just check, about 364 lines of code. And now let's execute this code and see what happens. Let me just run this code. Alright, so we want to generate a training data set. Enter the number of classes. So let me say I want 5 different classes. Enter 5, hit enter, and then it says enter the value of standard deviation. Default value is 1.0 for all classes. Let me say 2. Alright, enter the number of instance per class. I will just go with 3 instance, and then enter the number of instance for class 2. I'll say 3. Enter the number of instance for class 3. I'll say 2, and then same thing for class 4. I will say 3. Class 5, I'll say 1, and boom, enter the value of mean for class 1, say 0.2. okay, and I'll enter 2, and then 2, and then 1, and then 1 again. Good. So you can see the result. Variance is 1.96 and the accuracy is 25. Very bad. Press any key to restart, or Q for quit. Let me just quit, and then let me just, there you go. So the code seems to be functioning precisely as intended, and of course I am going to share this source code with you guys. You can use this Python code to execute this particular algorithm and have fun with your machine learning project. Guys, I can build any kind of ML, DL, and AI project, whatever you want. So reach out to me for any kind of consulting or your college projects or your industry related projects. I'll be happy to assist you. I will see you soon. Goodbye.